So, you want to dive into the exciting world of marketing? Whether you're trying to kickstart your marketing career or do a sharp career pivot or finally grab that dream marketing job in 2024, you are in the right place. Here, we'll dish out all the real gist, from practical tips and career hacks to building that fire portfolio, nailing your job search, and creating marketing strategies that even your village people would applaud. I am Zelia, a marketing and communications expert here in Lagos, Nigeria. I have got a master's degree in contemporary media from the University of Wolverhampton and over 12 years of experience doing everything from copywriting, brand management and design to video and audio production, event marketing and product marketing. You name it, I have done it. Did I also mention that I am a serial entrepreneur? I like to call myself the marketing cat. Why? Because like the true African cat that I am, I have lived the whole 9 marketing lives. I have seen it, done it all, and now I am ready to spill all the beans with you. So if you're ready for a no-dulling practical marketing journey that is equally fun and professional, click the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with that one friend that needs to stop dulling this year.